If your edges are thinning, breaking, or just refusing to grow, chances are you're doing something wrong. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to fix this starting now. And no, this isn't just about oils. There's a method most people are skipping, and that's what is costing you your edges. I've seen this over and over again. Most people are applying oils, buying products, trying everything, but their edges are still struggling. Why? Because healthy hair growth doesn't just come from what you put on your scalp. It comes from how you treat your scalp daily. I'm going to be showing you what you might be doing wrong, the right way to stimulate your scalp, and how to actually start seeing healthier, fuller edges over time. And the best part is that this is something you can start doing immediately. Now, let's start here. What exactly are you doing wrong? Number one, you are applying oils without stimulation. Just putting oils on your scalp, you're not activating the blood flow. And that's a very big mistake because oils alone don't grow your hair. It just supports the process. So you owe it to yourself to make that oil you're applying work for you by using your hands or your scalp massager to stimulate blood flow. Number two, you're being harsh with your edges. Tight hairstyle, excessive brushing, pulling and tugging on your edges. And some of you just bombard your edges with all sorts of gels. You also use hard brushes on your edges. Remember, your edges are the most delicate part of your hair. They need gentle care and minimal manipulation as much as possible. Number three, inconsistency. You do it today, skip it tomorrow, and then try again next week. It doesn't work that way. And a lot of you will save these tips that I'm sharing right now, but you never put it to practice. How then do you know if it works or not? Hair growth thrives on consistency, and that's the only way you're going to see results. Now that you know exactly what you may be doing wrong, what then is the solution? Now, let me tell you exactly what works. Number one, scalp stimulation. Every single day, you need to gently stimulate your scalp. Now, you might ask, how do you do this? Use your fingertips and not your nails. Apply light pressure on your scalp. Move in circular motion. I made a video doing exactly what I'm telling you right now in a practical way. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the comment section, so make sure you watch that after you finish watching this video. So what this does is that it helps to increase blood flow to your hair follicles, and that's what supports hair growth. Number two, apply oils the right way. When using oils, don't just drench your scalp with oils. You will just be wasting it. Use small amounts of oils. Focus on areas that really need that attention. Like in this case, we're talking about our edges. But make sure you always combine with hydration first before applying your oil and then massaging it. Never just apply oils and leave it. Number three, protect your edges. If you want to have fuller edges when you're old and gray, avoid tight hairstyles. Yes, I said it. Sleep with your satin or silk scarf or bonnet. Be gentle when styling your hair, especially around your edges. Don't joke with your edges. And then avoid heavy gels as much as you can. Honestly, I don't really see the need why people need to lay their edges, make it all perfect, sleek and all that. If you want to, do it less often as possible, please, if you still want to have edges. You must also understand that if you keep damaging your edges, no routine can save them. I will just give you everything that I know that can help you, but then it won't help you if you don't do all these things that I'm telling you. Number four, of course, stay consistent. This is where most people fail. And just like I always say, consistency beats products any day, anytime. You won't see results in 2 days. That I can promise you. But when you stay consistent, you will most definitely see a change. Now, let's be real for a moment. Hair growth is natural. Your hair is already growing, but the real goal is retaining the length that you have grown already. So don't be quick to rush the process. Just focus on these 3 things: healthy scalp, gentle care, and consistency. And then you're good to go. So if your edges are struggling right now, don't be discouraged. We've all been there at some point. I have been there at some point. Even now, I'm currently making sure that I don't do anything to ruin my edges. So trust me, you're not stopped. You just need the right approach. And once again, start treating your hair with intention. Once you start treating your hair with intention, everything begins to change. So if you're very intentional with your edges, trust me, they will grow. All you need is just to follow these tips that I've shared with you. Try as much as possible to do the routine massage daily. Spritz your edges with some liquid, maybe before you step out for your day, or at night before you go to bed. Spritz some water, apply your oils, and you're good to go. So I have my water right here. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. I have my water, I have my oil. Don't need much, your water, your oil. Just these two to hydrate my edges. So I don't necessarily have to touch the rest of my hair, just my edges. And then I circulate to make sure the liquid I'm applying goes directly in. And I use mostly my hair teas. What I do, I put just, see, that is, say you don't need much, and I circulate it all over, and then I go in my circular motion. See, I'm not roughening them. I place my hand, then put a little bit of pressure, and then we go. Bit by bit until you cover your entire edges. You keep doing, you see how my scalp is moving. If you do this every single day, I bet you in the next 2 weeks, come back to this video and tell me what you've noticed. I kid you not. Do this religiously. In fact, if you can do it morning and night, that's a bonus. But if you can't, once every single day, best at night, trust me, best at night before you go to bed, do this, and all those hair that refuse to go in front of your edges, they'll start coming out. I kid you not. I kid you not. Like, my edges were that bad, but now you can see I'm filling up nicely. Once you're done, just wear your satin bonnet or your scarf. At this point, I just prefer to tie my silk scarf and I'm good to go. I can do this again in the morning, and that's it. As simple as that, and you're good to go. So if this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to like this video, give it a huge thumbs up down there. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Share this video with your natural hair sisters who are struggling with how they can be able to keep their edges intact. And I'd love to hear from you. What has been your biggest struggles with your edges? Let me know in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye-bye.